Now let's look at typical exam style problem. Liquid A has a density of 1.42 grams per centimeter cube. 7 cm cube of liquid A is mixed with 125 cm cube of liquid B to make liquid C. Liquid C has a density of 1.05 grams per centimeter cube. Find the density of liquid B and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. When you see questions like this, my suggestion to you is try to pull out the details in a tabular form. So let's see, how do we do that? Just label A, B, and C. That's what's been talked about, and we're going to talk about density, mass, and volume. And pull out the details one by one. That is density for A. Just record that. 7 cm liquid is volume for A. For B, it's 125, but it says together it's mixed to make C. That is mean the total. So add, you make this. Then this one is density for C. Done. Now we are supposed to work out B, question mark, we don't know. Then let's focus on this. You realize that for you to know density of B, you must know the mass of B. So as soon as you get the mass of B, then to be able to use the formula to work out density of B. But you know, you can use these two information to work out mass of A. You can use these two information to work out the mass of C. So once C and A masses are known, you can now know B. So let's begin by working out the mass. Ignore the question now, but figure out what information you need to help you solve the question. So we're going to work out the mass of A. So to work out the mass of A, we need the density and the volume. So if we cover the mass, it means multiply density and volume. Simple. Here we multiply straight away because the units conform with the density. Cm cubed, cm cubed. So you multiply straight away, and you have your answer as 9.94 grams because you're talking about mass, so it's grams. So check cm cubed, they match up. So we just work out the mass of C. It tells you that density times volume, exactly what we've done here. That also gives us 138.6 grams. Okay, you know that from the volume, we mix the two volumes A and B to get a total of C. And therefore, the masses must also be added. A and B should add up to make C. So if you know C and A, then you reverse it by taking A away from C, and that will give you B. So to work out the mass of B is mass of C minus mass of A, and that gives us 128.66. Now that we know the mass of B, we can now work out the density of B by using these two information. If you cover density, this time is mass over volume. So mass over volume, and that gives us 128.66 divided by 125, and that gives us 1.02928 grams per centimeter cube. Remember, our volume is in centimeter cube and our mass is in grams, so that is the right unit to use. But the question says give your answer to 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal place is 1.03 grams per centimeter cube. So take time to watch this video over and over again to understand the concept and the steps in solving problem questions like this. Thanks for watching. We're going to look at another exam style question.